Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to continue exercise 4C from question number 2. Expand and simplify. Part A is 5A plus 4B minus 3C minus bracket 2A minus 3B upon 2 plus 3 upon 2C and bracket close. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open the bracket. Let's start our solution. We will write 5A as it is plus 4B minus 3C. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this minus inside the bracket. First of all, inside the bracket you will see either you are able to solve the bracket or not. Look, 2A 3 upon 2B 3 upon 2C. All the terms are with different variables. So we are not able to add or subtract any term. So simply we will open the bracket. Okay. Now this minus sign is going to multiply with every term inside the bracket. Now minus multiply by plus 2 minus multiply by plus minus 2a. Okay, then minus multiply by minus plus 3 upon 2b. Okay, then minus multiply by plus minus 3 upon 2c. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange the like terms together. Okay, 5a and then minus 2a. So we will write 5a minus 2a plus 4b and here we have plus 3 upon 2b. Okay, then what left is minus 3c and then minus 3 upon 2c. Now what we have to do, we have to solve these terms. Now 5a minus 2a, it will become 3a. Okay, now plus 4b plus 3 upon 2b. So first of all we have to make it fraction like this. Then we have to make this one the like fraction. We will multiply this one with 2 and this one also with 2. Okay, so it will become what? Plus 8b upon 2 and then plus 3b upon 2. Okay, now minus 3c and minus 3 upon 2c. We have to make this one also. We will multiply this one 2 and this one also with 2. So it will become minus what? We will multiply this one minus 6c upon 2 and then minus 3 upon 2c. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to get the answer out of this fraction. Okay. 3a plus 8 plus 3. 11 upon 2b. Okay, then minus 3 and minus 3, it will become what? Minus 9 upon 2c. So this is the answer for part A. Okay, part B is 1 upon 2 bracket 2x plus 2 bracket x minus 3 bracket and big bracket. So first of all we have to solve the smallest bracket. Okay, let's start our solution. 1 upon 2 and then 2x. And you will multiply plus 2 with x plus 2 with plus x. It will become plus 2x. Okay, plus 2 with minus 3. Plus minus 2 3s are 6. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to arrange the like terms together. Look, like terms are already arranged. So what we have to do? We have to solve them. 2x plus 2x. It will become what? 4x minus 6. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply 1 upon 2 with this one. And then we have to multiply 1 upon 2 with minus 6. Okay, now let's start multiplying. 1 upon 2 multiply by 4x. Okay, then minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 6. So now it will become 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will become 2x. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and minus sign will come as it is. So it will become what? It will become 3. 2x minus 3 is the answer for part B. Okay, part C is 2 upon 5 bracket 12p minus bracket 5 plus 2p bracket close and then big bracket close. Now we have to start solution by solving the small bracket first. Okay, 2 upon 5 will come as it is. Then 12p. Now this minus will multiply inside. Okay, whatever the term before the bracket will come, it will multiply inside. Either minus or any number, whatever. Okay, so minus will multiply minus plus 5 minus 5. Okay, and then minus plus minus, it will become 2p. Okay, now we have to arrange the like terms together inside. Okay, 12p, then minus 2p, and then minus 5. Okay, it will become what? 2 upon 5. What left inside? 12 minus 2, 10p minus 5. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 2 upon 5 with both the terms inside the bracket. First we will multiply with this one and then we will multiply with this one. Okay, let's start. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 10p. Okay, minus then 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Either you write here or there, make no difference. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to cut whatever we can cut. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Okay, here 5 ones are 5 and then 5 ones are 5. Okay, what left? 2 multiplied by 2p, it will become 4p. Okay, then minus 1 multiplied by 2, this is minus 1. Okay, don't forget when minus sign is there, you have to multiply dash minus and with the rest of the terms available. So minus 1 multiplied by 2, it will become minus 2. So the answer for the part C is 4p minus 2. D is 1 upon 2 bracket 8x plus 10 minus 6 bracket 1 minus 4x bracket close, and the big bracket also close. Now again we are going to solve solution by opening the small bracket. So we will write 1 upon 2 inside the big bracket, 8x plus 10 will come as it is, and this minus 6 is going to multiply both the terms inside the bracket. So minus 6 multiplied by plus 1, it will become minus 6, and minus 6 multiplied by minus 4, so it will become plus 24x. Okay, let's close the big bracket. Now we have to arrange the like term inside the bracket. So we will arrange 8x plus 24x, okay, and then plus 10 minus 6. Okay, now we have to solve 8x plus 24x, it will become 32x. Okay, plus 10 minus 6 plus minus minus, so we will write plus 4 because bigger number carry plus sign, so it will become 32 plus 4. Now we have to multiply this 1 upon 2 with both the terms. Okay, let's open the bracket. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 32x, okay, then plus, okay, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, now let's solve by cutting whatever we can cut. 2 ones are 2, okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So now we have to multiply 16x with 1, it will become 16x, okay, and 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So this is the answer for part D, and this is the end of the question number 2. We will start question number 3 in the next video, inshallah.